Despite the volatility in the market, it's also essential to understand how can we strategically position ourselves to still make money in the market. One of the ways I do this is just by selling covered calls. These are just strategies that we believe in personally, and this
Yes.
might not work for everybody
Very
because
excellent.
you understand your own risk appetite.
Yes.
So if I'm saying that I'm selling covered call on Tesla, Tesla is a very volatile stock, and there's
Yes.
always that tendency for you to panic, which I have also experienced. I've
Yes.
experienced the fact that, I sold a covered call at 250 and I panicked. So whatever strategies I'm taking, you need to be aware of the risks associated with it.
Definitely.
And
Yeah.
for me, I just feel like, okay, I already own those stocks and these are stocks that I plan on holding for the long term. And I'm just writing cover calls on them. And even apart from that, whatever income that is being generated from that I then use that to buy extra shares since the stock market is actually down right now. So that's just a simple way that I'm using the market, despite the volatility, to still generate income in the market and not having to panic sell. Most times, what I've learned and just listening to people that have been investing for several decades is that the best time to buy is in the bear market. If the market is giving us an opportunity to pick up quality stocks at a discount, then I would just be buying. A lot of people would not want to buy during this bear season, but personally, given my own risk appetite and my investing horizon, which is at least 5 to 10 years, I see this as a great buying opportunity. Again, the market can still dip, and if it dips further, I'm excited. I was listening to one of Buffett's recording just yesterday, and he says that anytime I buy a good company and the price drops, like the price of the stock drops, he's very excited to buy more.
It's not scared.
You see a contrary move from beginner investors, meaning that they buy a stock today at $100 and they expect the stock to go to 150 tomorrow. It doesn't happen. The reality of the stock market is that you might buy a stock today at $100. It can go to $70 next week. It can go to $120 in a few weeks. So being able to manage your emotions when investing, I'm saying, is one of the finest skills to just develop in the stock market and even in crypto.